Right, guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use your EBT card on Doordash, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, guys, you want to open up your Doordash profile. So you want to just click on this option right here, this outline of a person at the top right corner of Doordash to open up your profile. Then what you want to do, guys, is tap on this right here, payment. Just tap on this payment option. This basically opens up the payment menu where you can add your EBT card and the other payment methods. Okay. Important thing to note, guys, I'm going to tell you basically is while you can use your EBT card to actually pay for these grocery items on a DoorDash, it will not actually cover fees, right? Tips, restaurant orders, or non-food items. So if you haven't already added another payment method, you'll be prompted to do so during the checkout to cover these other costs. Okay. Now, guys, then once you click on payment method, you want to come down here and choose this option right here under program cards. You will see this option that says Snap/EBT card. Okay, and if you see a pop-up window explaining that if your EBT card can only be used to buy groceries at eligible stores, just tap got it, then tap EBT, Snap/EBT card. Again, guys. Then, guys, you're gonna be prompted to enter your EBT card number, guys. So your EBT card number is typically on the back of the card. Just tap save to save your card and enter your PIN if you are prompted. Now that you have added your EBT, guys, your EBT card to DoorDash, you're ready to shop. So what you need to do, guys, is you need to shop at a participating retailer. So when you're browsing these DoorDash stores, guys, look for the ones labeled Snap, okay? Like DoorDash accepts EBT in most states at stores like Albertsons, Aldi, King's, Pavilions, Safeway, Shaw's, Vaughn's, Star Market. Okay, and there's also some 7-Eleven locations, but not all of them. So you can basically use EBT at any of these retailers to pay for uncooked groceries like vegetables, fruit, meat, dairy, snacks, pantry staples, and non-alcoholic beverages. So basically, you need to look for these kind of items. You cannot buy hot food or cold prepared food. These are not SNAP eligible. Okay. Now, once you have chosen your items and added them to cart, when you reach the checkout, you're gonna see this option right there, guys. Pay with Snap. Okay, you're gonna see Pay with Snap at checkout, and after reviewing your DoorDash cart, you'll see this option on the checkout page. So this will basically display your Snap balance and the total amount of all EBT eligible items in your cart. And if you haven't done so already, you may be prompted to enter your 4-digit EBT PIN to display your balance. If you don't see this option, then EBT is not accepted at this location. Then, guys, you just want to enter the amount that you want to pay and tap continue. You can enter the entire SNAP eligible subtotal if you have enough benefits to on your EBT card. You can also pay for just a portion of your groceries with EBT and save the rest for your credit or debit card. Remember, guys, you'll need another payment method added to DoorDash to cover things like fees and non-eligible items, guys. Then you just want to tap on place order to confirm. If you don't have another payment method, guys, added, you'll be prompted to add one first. Any items and fees, guys, I'm reminding you, any items and fees not covered by EBT will automatically be billed to your alternative payment method, guys. It's actually that easy and simple, guys. So if it really helps, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below. If you need any more assistance, we will assist you in the comments down below. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe